He started with his lineup.
New York's got nothing like that. What you just saw. New York's got
no
nothing.
one compared to it.
Nothing close.
Oh, here he goes with the,
Here go again. Okay. It is so good.
There was an echo.
Oh, the echo coming back. That is just amazing that they do this, and then you can do it, and the neighbors want more of it.
I can't believe he told you that they bigger fireworks in Chicago or New York.
And then I was thinking back of the stuff that Kevin told me over the years. One of my favorite was, so Kevin, good athlete.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Good football player. I remember watching a game where he just had a great game. So, we're talking about basketball. And Kevin's just there and he's in the mood to get a bunch of beers. He goes, oh shit, I played all these. I played every guy in Boiling, one-on-one, and beat every single one of them. I had no problem. I was the best one-on-one player in the entire class. I'm looking, I go, really? You beat Norm Rankin? You beat all those guys? Yep, every single one of them. I can kill them in one-on-one. And I was just coming down to get you, and you were walking up. Very little. Oh, that was cool. Did you see? Look at that. Look at this, guys. They're skipping them.
So hard to take pictures of it because there's a delay.
It is. Yeah, you gotta wait for the ones that keep going, right? That persist.
Oh, here comes another one.
There you go, Mark.
Yeah, I gotta use this.
Wow. Yes. Very, very
I don't know who that is. No. Looks hilarious.
It is funny. Oh, because they play all different kinds of
That's a nice. Pretty nice.
Oh, so it's not the same every week where there's another character.
They're setting some off.
They play about 10.
There we go. There we go. Woo!
Oh, the guy down there. Just Joey and all that.
That's got to be drug money over there.
Yeah.
Gotta be.
Drug money in this?
No.
Wow.
What'd you say?
Because that's it.
Yeah.
It must be fun for the person holding it. Oh no, someone's not holding it.
Yeah. I saw them earlier though.
Yeah.
The boat was coming and they were just following the boat like this.
They're laughing.
Very funny.
They all take turns. Then that one, okay, they wait, and then that one goes off. Like, yeah, it's kind of like a dance off.
Well, you said they banned the fireworks in Bainbridge.
Oh, they did? Oh, I didn't know.
I'm over here.
Wow.
Doesn't look like they're supposed to.
That's real exciting.
Come on. Come on.
They may be childish comments, but they're still good.
One more.
All right, let's see. I did one time lapse and I did one slow motion.
Shelly gonna really move.
To her dog. She's from Arizona.
I didn't realize that.
That was time lapse. That was time
That's
lapse. So
fast.
slow motion. Slow motion would be good. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Oh yeah.
nice. That's pretty cool.
Nice when we don't have to spend a dime to watch all this.
Exactly.
You didn't pay?
Yeah.
They didn't get
Oh,
me.
yeah.
They didn't get me.
By the
They
way,
didn't get you yet.
you're $5 short.
Yeah. Yeah. We all paid $500 ahead. Eve.
Oh my gosh.
How'd you get in?
I snuck in.
Good looks and charm.
Snuck in the back door.
I've been doing that my whole life.
Me too.
There you
As
go.
much as you can. That one went right in the water.
You think it's a mistake shooting them off in the water?
Yeah, it's kind of fun though, because once
Yeah.
in a while you'll see one go in and stay lit going down.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
that.
Wow.
Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, here it comes.
Whoa! Woo!
Oh, that was gorgeous.
I got that in slow motion.
Okay.
Incoming!
Yeah.
Hey, look at that.
No,
Oh,
that has to be a city.
Oh, that's
That is a
gorgeous.
city.
boy. Yeah,
That's a city.
that's New York. You can see him from here. You can see him coming in all the way from New York City.
There you go.
It just is
That
everywhere.
one was a good.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, that's professional.
Yeah. But it's not Seattle, so where it must be.
Higher, higher.
Could be Bainbridge.
Bainbridge?
Is that still Bainbridge?
Yeah, that's what we're thinking.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that one. Came out one.
Oh, look at this. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that.
That looked like a little tree.
That's beautiful.
Oh, not.
Oh, you're over there.
Oh,
Over there.
oh my goodness, that's
Oh,
beautiful.
that's over the water too.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice.
Now.
They saved it all up for one big bang.
Yeah. Grand finale. They do that. Everybody does that. All the big cities. All the big cities. Chicago, New York, and Port Orchard. They all do the big. the world-renowned Port Orchard display. 4th of July display.
Yes.
You want where it's going on, come to Port Orchard.
Yeah. You know, there's something about it though. It's more.
What?
It's just more. It's intimate.
Right.
You're
It
right
is.
in front
It
of it.
is.
It's
And
right there.
you're not with the crowd.
Yeah.
You're here sitting with the friends and family and
Yeah, that's
having a
right,
good
yeah.
time.
And it's kind of entertaining and in so many different places.
Yeah, it's hard to watch them all.
Well, you were a great surprise, Deb. I had no idea you were going to be here. No idea. Well, no, I knew. I found out yesterday.
Ah.
You don't count.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, Deb's coming. Deb will be here.
Well, Kevin and Donna are super hosts and hostesses. They're just
I frankly never liked him that much, but
So you got invited.
yeah, he's my least favorite cousin.
I got it all on tape.
Yeah.
But now, you know, this helps.
Because they invited you up there.
Yeah.
To the best
I
fireworks.
could tell you, he was my least favorite brother. No, he's my favorite brother.
No, yeah.
Speak louder into the microphone,
Oh, you're his
please.
sister.
Yeah.
You're Kevin's sister. 'Cause he said, my sister's up here.
Cousins. Yeah.
No, I did
That's
not.
Kevin's sister.
That
Because
rock master?
I was talking to him and he said, my sister's up there. And you lost your brother recently.
Yeah.
Sorry?
You lost your brother
Yeah.
last year. I'm
Yeah.
so sorry.
Yeah.
And
Two of them.
so what I thought he meant heaven. I wasn't sure.
Oh.
Yeah, she's up there.
My sister's up
He
there.
kind of pointed up.
Oh, gee.
We're praying for you if it's any help.
Thank you, thank you.
She's up there with my
Catholics.
brother. Up there with my brother.
Yeah.
God.
Tom would love that one.
Yeah.
Well,
A little
very
cross,
nice
you
to
know.
know you. Very nice. Well, they're really good people.
Oh, yeah.
Donna makes me laugh hard.
Yeah, again.
Yeah.
You know.
They're family. Nah.
Where do you fall in the family line?
I'm the third,
You're the third, and
and Kevin's the fourth.
He's
He's
younger
the baby.
than- He's the baby.
Yeah.
And as you know, I'm the baby of the
He's
whole
the
generation.
generation. He's
The
a baby
whole
doll.
generation.
Oh, you're the youngest of all of them.
His cousin.
That's awesome.
Yeah, we have pictures of
This
Aunt
is-
Glory being
This
pregnant.
is my hired yeller over here.
I'm sure I've probably
Sorry.
seen him.
I sent them to you.
I better get him again or something like that.
I just would watch it. Oh, yeah. It just goes on and on.
That's what she said, Jeff.
Yeah, yeah.
What's that? What?
It goes on and on.
He said,
Wow.
Yeah.
it's just starting.
Yeah, it's a
Wow.
Oh my.
Wow.
Fantastic.
Oh my gosh.
Getting tired.
Really perky.
Wow.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Oh my word.
I think it's amazing.
It is.
Oh. Goodness. I hope it doesn't.
Uh-oh. Running out of steam.
They're just
Oh, that's-
teasing us.
It's the moon.
What time is it now? I don't have a clue.
It's a
Is that
quarter.
the moon?
Wait a minute.
Is it? I
Look,
think
it probably is.
Yeah.
What time is
It's
it?
almost 11:30.
Yeah. Is that the moon, Kev?
Yeah, that's the moon.
Coming up.
That's the moon.
Yep.
Just add that to everything else.
Well, last night the moon was beautiful.
Was the full moon on the? I think it was the first. Yeah, the first was the full moon.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Where do you see the moon? I haven't seen it. Oh, over there.
Yeah, to the right.
Yeah, that's
To the
it.
right.
Yeah.
And there's more.
They're still down there.
Ah,
That was good.
what the hell?
Where's my streamer?
I just took pictures. No, he has on my movie.
Yeah. What's that? 6?
No, it's a 5.
Lauren went with a 6 plus. She
Yeah,
got the
but
boat. I
I
didn't
just-
either. I just did 6. This thing is so good.
Tim has the big
Oh,
I couldn't fit it in my pocket, but I could see,
just to meet
Yes.
in that you got a purse.
Don't give up.
No, they don't.
Tim has a
Oh,
case
did they
for it.
do
It's
that
like
as a
a,
group?
Yeah.
The house.
Two houses together.
Oh, 2 houses.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
did.
I
You know,
don't know,
the
I never really seen him put
last
it
3 years they've been separate.
Literally has a whole.
Oh.
It's cool as hell.
Oh.
Oh
Yeah,
my
that's right there,
word.
he says.
Same as mine. It's
Yeah.
beautiful. It's cool. It's hot too. I
You
hear
heard that, Robert?
That can be arranged.
Thank you for your Keep the-
Oh!
Whoa.
That's very cool. That's why he just put us out there. Like,
Yeah. Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Kevin! Kevin!
Kevin.
That's why you didn't want us on the kayak.
No, no kayak.
Oh. That is fabulous. Fabulous.
In our hair.
Is that an echo?
Yeah.
Jackson Brown. Son of a gun.
Oh. My word. That is beautiful.
Wow.
Why he's up in the room? Out looking at him.
Poor little He's getting the
Just keep on
Just got hit in
going.
the head with
I did
something.
too.
Did you?
Yeah.
Good thing only have
Actually, my hair is burning. I just got singed. Woo! Woo! Hey, my hair's on fire! Something hit me right in the head. Woo!
You take a picture of the moon?
I'm trying to catch it. Yeah, I'm trying to catch it. It's hard to see
Now
though.
the music starts and we get to dance.
But once
Yeah.
once it rises up, it'll really be bright.
Now comes round
Look at
2.
the plane over there.